Hello viewers, hope you're doing all well and good. Today's succulent plant is Lenophyllum latum. Lenophyllum latum is a genus of flowering plant in the family of Grassoleae. It's a succulent plant, of course, and there are hardly 7 species of it, and native to Mexico and Texas. Some people have added it in to the category of sedum as well. So they treat it like a sedum, but it's a totally different species, not a sedum, and it's very easy growing succulent. You can propagate it by leaf, you can propagate it by stem cutting, and the propagation should be done when it's growing, and the growth season is throughout spring and summer. You can grow it, and the flowering in my area, it flowered during winter and spring, and the flowering period goes about 3 to 4 months, and it's a very carefree plant. You can place it in your garden and you forget about it, and watering is soak and dry method. It doesn't need that much of water like all the succulents, and the fertilizer you can put up when you pot it up. You can use any organic or inorganic fertilizers, and it will be enough for it for the long time. And during midsummer, if the temperature goes really high in your city, you should put it in bright sunlight, otherwise it get a bit burned, but it will recover as soon as the temperature goes normal. And that's it. It's a very careful plant. And pests, I don't see like very much pest on it. Usually mealybug or what we call it, I forgot, aphids. You can use any systematic pesticide for it, and don't use neem oil on it because it can damage your plant. It has a white coating, and maybe it won't suitable for it. So use any pesticide and it will recover back. And hopefully you like the information. If you like the video and information, like and subscribe my channel. Take care and bye. Happy gardening.